Hello, welcome to Tech Sharmit. In this session, we will discuss another scenario where we are using alter command in order to delete or drop the constraint from table. Okay, so for that, firstly I will show you the table and the constraint that I am using there, and then we will try to delete that without affecting the actual data. So let me quickly create the table. So table query is create or replace table employee, EMP ID integer primary key, employee name varchar 50, employee age integer. So here you can see that we are using the constraint primary key. So just hit enter and it will create the table. Now try to insert some data to it. So let me retrieve this query, and the query is insert into Sharmit1 slash employee. Values are 1 EMP1 and 50. So this is inserted. Similarly, if you want, you can insert the second employee in the same manner. So what we know about primary key, like it does not allow us to insert the duplicate value or to keep that column null. So to verify that, we will try to insert something which is not allowed here. Before that, I will show you the actual data. So you can see there are two records for employee ID 1 and employee ID 2, and we have set the primary key on this column. So what we will try to do, we will try to insert the similar value again. So it should give error because we are right now there is a primary key on that column, right? So if I hit enter, you can see duplicate key value specified. Insert into, when we are trying to insert into Sharmit1 employee with duplicate value, it is not allowing us, right? So now this is the requirement. Let's say we have one table where we have multiple records and we want to remove the primary key from one of the column. Then how to do that? So for that we will use alter command. So let's quickly walk through the program. So here firstly we are declaring the constant variable. This variable we will use to verify the query whether it is executed successfully or not. Okay, now below to this, what we are doing, we are trying to we are setting the commitment option as a star none, and then we are using the command alter table name, which is Sharmit1, which is employee, and Sharmit1 is my library name, and then we are using this keyword drop primary key. So what it will do, it will remove the primary key from the table without affecting the data. Below to this, we are verifying the query. If SQL state equals to SQL state underscore valid, then we will print the message table altered successfully. Otherwise, we will print the SQL state and the error message query ended with an error. At last, on line number 31, we are setting the INLAR equals to star on. So just quickly save this and try to compile it. So it is compiled successfully. Now I am calling this. So you can see it prints the message table altered successfully. Now what we will do, we will try to insert the duplicate value again, because now we have removed the primary key from the table. So let me hit the query again. You can see the row is inserted. Why? Because this time there is no primary key, and if I try to insert again, it will accept, because we have removed the primary key and all the data is as it is. There is no impact on the data because it does not affect data. It only remove or drop the primary key from that particular employee ID column. So if I show you the data, select the star from Sharmit1 slash employee. So if you see the data, there are multiple record with duplicate value, but it should not allow, right? In case of primary key, it should not allow these insertions, right? But now we are not having any primary key on the table. That's why it is allowing us to insert the duplicate values. Okay, so this is the advantage of alter command. If you would like to delete any of the primary key from your table, although we are supposed to create only one primary key in a table. So if you would like to delete that primary key, in that case you can use alter command with drop keyword to delete the primary key. So yeah, this is all about for this session. In the next session we will discuss few more things. So thank you for watching Tech Sharmit.